Hi, welcome to Real Times. My name is Carrie Obedzinski with Times Microwave Systems and Amphenol Company. And this is Real Times, our vlog where we talk about industry trends, new products, meet some people, and talk about all things coax. Today we have Dave Kiesling with us, our Director of Global Sales. And, well, first of all, thanks again for joining me.
Thank you, Carrie.
And today we're going to talk about a product family expansion. So InstaBend is one of our product families, and we have a new launch with the InstaBend 141. So first off, would you talk high level about what InstaBend is?
Sure. So InstaBend is a family of cables that use a clamped connector instead of a solder-on connector, which what a technical way of jumping right into
I know.
it.
Clamp
What does
versus
that
solder.
mean?
Okay.
So, and as a matter of fact, I can show you. So the great thing about InstaBend is it's a very robust cable. You can bend it back and forth and so forth. But if you look at the connector, you can see it doesn't use a solder ferrule, and the outer braid is not soldered to the cable. It's actually clamped to the connector. So that gives you more flexibility, makes it a little easier for routing and so forth, which again helps you with high density applications or challenges where you want to get really, really tight to bend the cable. And so at this point, the 141 is the third product in our family.
Okay.
So we now have all the kind of primary semi-rigid styles now. We have the 047, we have the 086, and now the 141. So the three typical ones that you would do for like board-to-board interconnects or inside the box
Inside the box.
applications.
And so now 141 specifically, it's a little bit thicker, and I noticed than some of our other cables.
So I love it. Everyone always says, what do those numbers mean, right?
I
You
like
rattle off
that,
those
yeah.
numbers and so forth, and it's great. It's the size of the cable.
Yeah.
So it's actually the diameter of the cable on the outer braid.
Okay.
So not on the jacket, but the actual electrical size of the cable. So 047 is 47 thousandths of an inch. 141 is almost 3 times as big. So if you were to compare them, it's pretty straightforward. So
All right.
yes, it sounds like we're speaking in code, but
But
we're
we're
actually
not.
trying to make it pretty easy so you know what the size is. And so the difference with the 141 is it's not going to go as high in frequency because the cable is a little bit bigger, and that's why you see these SMA connectors on here. So you would, this works. I shouldn't speak out of turn, but roughly to 18 gig is about the highest you would go. You probably can get a little bit higher, but like with the 047, you can get to 70 gig. So there's that classic relationship between size and frequency. As it gets smaller,
the higher. Yeah.
You got it.
Okay.
It's an inverse relationship. So this fleshes out the family. We're very proud of that. So now we have all three, and with all the benefits that you get, and we have all the connectors to go along with it as well. So
And we sell these as assemblies?
these are sold as assemblies. Yes,
Okay.
correct.
And available via distribution?
Yep, distribution, direct, however it suits your needs. We'll help you out.
Okay. Well, thank you very much for explaining the product to us, and I appreciate you spending time with us again.
Great. Thank you, Carrie.
Thank you. If you would like more information on our InstaBend family of products, please visit our website at timesmicrowave.com. And thank you for watching. Please like and share our vlog. And until next time, stay healthy and well.